Hey, welcome back, Gary Brown Forge and On. This is a quick update on the little challenge I was doing to make a phone holder, and it was going to be the hashtag phone holder challenge 2021. Put the link here. I put the hashtag here and down at the bottom. And I kind of realized, for a lot of people that may be doing the end of February, might be pushing it, so we're going to lighten it up a little. We'll just say you have until the end of March. I hope that'll help people out a little. And also, I was going to kind of have people, wait till the end just to publish them all at one time. But just whenever you get it done, if you want to wait till the end, that's fine. But if you want to put it on out there and hashtag it, and then the end of March, I'll just put them all on a playlist, and we could have fun looking at the different designs and stuff. So, just a quick update. End of March for the phone holder challenge, and we'll get it out there so everybody can see and just enjoy it, and talk to you later. And you all have a blessed day. Bye bye now.